Look at him, Lena. He is absolutely adorable playing with that new toy. I think he loves his new home.
He certainly seems very happy, Thomas. He has been running and playing all afternoon. I am so glad we decided to adopt him. He brings so much joy into the apartment.
He really does. He is the perfect little addition to our family. There is just one small problem we need to solve, a very important problem.
A problem? What is it? He seems perfectly healthy and happy.
The problem is that he has been living with us for 3 days now, and he still does not have a name. We can't keep calling him the puppy or little guy forever.
You are so right. A dog is not complete without a name. It is such a big decision. We need to choose something that is perfect for him, something that fits his personality.
I agree. It has to be the perfect name. So where should we begin? There are millions of possible names. This feels like a very big responsibility.
Let's start by brainstorming some different categories of names. We could start with classic, human-sounding names. I have always liked dogs with human names.
Okay, that's a good starting point. What kind of human names are you thinking of?
Well, I was thinking of something friendly and classic, like Max or Charlie, or maybe Sam. They are very popular dog names for a reason. They are easy to say and sound very cheerful.
Max and Charlie are very nice names, I agree. My only concern is that they are extremely common. If we go to the park and call out Max, 10 dogs might come running to us.
That is a very good point. It could be quite confusing. You want a name that is a little bit more unique, so he knows it is his special name. So, if you think human names like Max are too common, what category of names do you suggest we explore next?
How about more traditional dog names? The kind of names you read about in books or see in movies. For example, names like Buddy or Lucky or Rocky.
Buddy is a very sweet name because he is our new best buddy. That is a nice idea. Lucky is also nice because we are so lucky to have him.
What about Rocky? It sounds strong and confident.
I'm not so sure about Rocky. It sounds like a name for a very tough and boisterous dog. Our little guy is so gentle and sweet. He is not a Rocky at all. He is more of a cuddler than a fighter.
You are right. His personality is very soft and gentle, so we need a name that reflects that. We should find a name that is as sweet as he is.
I think we are making a very important discovery. The name has to match his personality, but maybe it can also match his appearance.
That's a great idea. Let's look at him closely. What physical features stand out?
Well, the most obvious thing is his fur. He has this beautiful, fluffy, golden-colored fur. It's the color of honey or sunshine. He is a little ball of light.
He really is. So maybe we can think of a name that is related to his color. What names can you think of?
My first thought is the name Sunny, because his color is so bright and sunny, and he has a very sunny and happy personality.
Sunny is a very cute name. I like that one. We could also call him Goldie, but that might be a little too obvious. What other ideas do you have?
We could name him after something else that is golden, like nugget, as in a gold nugget, or maybe butterscotch.
Sunny is a strong contender. I'm not so sure about nugget or butterscotch. They sound a little bit silly. Although, that reminds me of another category of names we could explore.
What category is that?
Food names. Some people give their pets names of their favorite foods. I think it can be very funny and charming.
Food names? That is a fun idea. We both love food. So, since we live in Austria, should we call him something very Austrian like Schnitzel?
Schnitzel? Can you imagine us in the park shouting, "Here, Schnitzel, come here, boy"? People would think we are crazy.
You are right. That is probably too silly. What about strudel? Like an Apfelstrudel. That is a little bit sweeter.
It's sweeter, but still a little strange. Maybe a more common food name would be better. I know someone who has a cat named Cookie, and I think that is very cute. We could also consider muffin or waffles.
I think Cookie is cute, but maybe not for our puppy. This is a very fun brainstorming session, but I am not sure we have found the perfect name yet.
I agree. We have some good ideas, but not the one. Let's try another category. What is left?
How about names from nature? They are often very beautiful and timeless. For example, we could call him River or Forest.
I like nature names. His golden color reminds me of a lion. A lion is the king of the jungle. What about the name Leo?
Leo. I really like that name. It is a human name, but not as common as Max. And it has the connection to the lion, which fits his color and his brave little spirit. That is a very strong contender.
I also thought, because we love hiking in the Alps, we could call him something related to the mountains. Maybe a classic Austrian name, like Franz, named after the Emperor Franz Joseph.
Leo is a fantastic suggestion. I am adding it to the top of our list. Franz is a nice, traditional name, but maybe a little too serious for such a playful puppy.
I think you are right. Leo feels younger and more modern. Okay, so we have a few good ideas now. I think we need to create a final shortlist of our favorites.
I agree. A short list will help us to focus. So far, I think my favorite is Leo. I also still quite like Sunny. And maybe we can add one more classic human name. How about Oscar?
Leo, Sunny, and Oscar. That is a very good shortlist. All three are great names. Now we have another difficult decision. How do we choose the final one?
I have an idea. Maybe the puppy can help us choose. Let's try calling him by each name and see how it feels. And maybe we can see if he reacts to one of them.
That is a fun experiment. I will go first. I will try the name
Sunny. Here, Sunny! Come here, Sunny! Look, he is wagging his tail.
He is wagging his tail, but he wags his tail at everything. I don't think it means he loves the name. I think it just means he loves your happy voice.
You are probably right. Okay, now it's your turn. You can try calling him Oscar.
Okay. Oscar! Who's a good boy, Oscar? Come here. He is wagging his tail again, and he is coming over to me for a cuddle.
See? He likes Oscar too. This is not making the decision any easier. He is a very agreeable puppy. He will be happy with any name we give him.
He is just happy to be getting so much attention. Okay, now let's try the last name on our shortlist together. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's both call him Leo and see how that feels. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Leo! Come here, Leo.
I think I really like the sound of that. Leo. It feels right. It is short, easy to say, and it sounds both strong and friendly at the same time.
I completely agree. When I said it out loud, it just felt perfect for him. It fits him like a little glove. I think my heart has decided. For me, he is Leo.
My heart says the same thing. I think we have a winner. But I want to be very scientific about this. Let's make it official.
What do you mean by scientific? What is your plan?
I want us to each take a small piece of paper, and without telling the other person, we will each write down our final number 1 choice for the name.
And then we will show them to each other at the same time. I love that idea. It's very dramatic. Okay, I have my pen and paper ready. I am writing down my choice now.
Okay, I have written my favorite name down on my piece of paper too. I have folded it so you cannot see. Are you ready for the big reveal?
I am so ready. I am also a little bit nervous. What if we have written down different names?
Then we will have to have another long discussion. But I have a good feeling about this. Okay, on the count of 3, we will both unfold our papers. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness, look, we both wrote the same name. I wrote Leo, and you wrote Leo. It was meant to be.
I knew it. We were both thinking the same thing. It is officially decided. His name is Leo.
Hello, Leo. That is your name, little one. Do you like it? He is wagging his tail so fast. I think he loves it.
It is the perfect name for the perfect puppy. Now that he has a name, it feels like he is truly a part of our family. The first thing we need to do tomorrow is go and buy him a little collar with a name tag that says Leo.